The new setting every advertiser need to understand. So there's a new setting on Meta ads that you need to understand to increase your chances of getting more quality leads and make more sales from your advert. Now, this setting is not really new, but many advertisers don't know about it, and I want to expose it to you in this video. So ensure that you watch to the very end so that you will not miss out of anything. I still remain Philip Digital's your favorite advertiser, right? So, what is this setting I'm talking about? So, Meta just gave advertisers another way to control who the algorithm spend more money trying to convert. Now, from the beginning of this year, we have noticed that targeting does not really matter. What really matter is your creative. You target with your creative, with your messaging, right? So, but there's still a way you can control who the algorithm spend your money on. So presently, the algorithm spend more money on the creative that people relate more to, right? So, but there's still a way you can control the kind of people that your algorithm spend money on, and that is not even about talking about detailed targeting. I'm talking about value rules. So you are able to there's a setting on Meta ad where you're able to tell you're able to tell Meta how valuable certain category of audience are to your business or to you, right? So I'm going to show you how to do it. So if you ever notice that one type of customer gives you better quality leads or more sales than another, you need to understand this setting. So if after you have run ads, you notice that okay, people within the age range of 25 to this, they used to pay, right? And this set of people, they have this set of device, you know, you have that data already. You can now go to Meta Ad and tell Meta Ad, okay, these are the category of audience that usually buys from me. I want you to spend more money on this set of people. And it's not detailed targeting. We're going to see. So the difference between value view and targeting is in targeting, you are telling Facebook who can Meta reach. So you are describing who Meta should reach in with your advert. But with value, you are describing who is worth more or less. That is, this category of audience, they worth more to my business, and this category of audience, they worth less to my business. So you are telling a Facebook the value of your customer, the value of a particular set of audience, right? So let me show you how to set up this setting so that you know how to do it. So let me head over to an example ad manager. Okay, so let's say let me click on create. Let me use leads. Now this setting is found in the ad set level of Facebook ads. So now we have three levels. We have campaign levels, we have the campaign level, we have the asset level, and we have the ad level, right? So if you don't understand this, you might need to get my course, right, so that you can have a full understanding of how these things work. But in this video, I just want to show you how to set up the value setting, right? So you go to your asset level. So when you go to your asset level, you scroll down. If you scroll down, you're going to see value rule, right? So I want you to activate it. Click on create a rule set. Then just say I understand, then create a rule set. So now we want to create a rule to determine the value of our customer. So we have different criteria. So if I click on this drop down, we have audience and we have placement, right? So let's assume that audience, right? You can also do it for placement. Let's say that you have discovered that okay, people on IG are the people that used to buy from you. You can do that from here, but I want to use audience in this case. So I use audience. Then for this criteria, we have age, gender, platform, mobile operating system, location, and audiences. So in this case, I'll be choosing age, right? So select age range. So these are different age range I have. So let's say that over the years or over the month when I've been running that, I noticed that the set of people that usually buy my product are people within the range of 18 to 35. So what I'll just do is that I'm just going to click on this other one. that I don't want. I click on this other one. And after I click on it like that, then this increase bid by, I will click on decrease because I want to tell Facebook that I will decrease this by 90%. So what have I done? I've told Facebook that Facebook, in reaching in reaching my audience, I want you to value this category of people less. Value them less. Go for people that are, you know, 18 to 34. Value them more, right? So that is decrease. So I'm saying that you should disvalue this set of people, right? Now I can also create another category. Let's say, let me just choose audience, or right. I can also say, okay, um, let me choose operating system. People that are using Android and iOS. So if I choose Android, so with what I've chosen here, what I'm saying is that I want you to value less. I want you to value less people that are using Android and are in this category of age. So every other person that is using iOS, that is iPhone, and they're in the age range of 18 to 34, value them more, right? So I can also do another one, which is add rule. So add rule, right? So let's use placement. So um I want Facebook to value more um Instagram feed, and Instagram reels, right? Value them more. So 90%. So that is a rule I have set. Age, age, mobile, mobile operating system and placement. So if I click on create, so I have set a rule like that. So when Facebook is actually running my ads, are going to value less those ages that I choose, and they're going to value more the placement that I choose. I believe you have learned something in this video. So this is different from targeting, right? This is just you telling Facebook the value of the categories of people you want for your ad to be shown to. You get? So ensure that you use this and tell me the result you are getting from this rule. So I'll see you in the next one. Ensure that you subscribe, you like this, and you comment if you have any question. And if you want to run ads, you need an expert to run ad for you. You can reach out to me in my DM. My phone number is going to be in the description. And if you want to also learn how to run Facebook ads and Instagram ad properly, I also have a course. It's just 15,000 naira, and you can get the course. You have access to my mentorship and every other thing that you need to understand this. So see you in the next one.